All right, guys, I've got a leaky faucet here. This is a Vakitap. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. It's a faucet I bought off Amazon for virtually peanuts. So it started just dripping a little bit, and I wanted to replace the valve inside. I couldn't easily see what type of valve it was, if it was Delta or Moen, but I found out this part number was identical to the one that I pulled out. This is available at Home Depot. I'm sure it's similar ones they have at Lowe's. So just quickly show you what to do. You're going to need an Allen wrench, a metric Allen wrench, and I believe it's a 2.5 millimeter that goes underneath here. I've already loosened it, so you take that off, and it revealed is the style of valve that it is. And I've already loosened this, but basically you take this off just like this to reveal.
Are you watching this, honey? I need you to be.
The valve, and that was my customer here who interrupted my video. It's all right, Dad. So it reveals this type of faucet, and it is identical to this one that I just bought. I think it was like $8. So you can see that and that are pretty much the same. So that's my thumb, just to get an idea of scale. Looks like it'd be about the size of a silver $50. So obviously I've cut off the water underneath, but to install this, literally just pull it in. Make sure I install it right. That is definitely firmer. Then you'll see 2 holes down there below, which those 2 holes line up with. So once you feel you have positive connection there, go on and reinstall that circular thing. That I just placed somewhere in. Hold on, we'll pause the video. All right, now that I have found said mysterious part, go on and screw this back in. I had a little bit of a plier here, so I'm going to try to get it just a little bit more than hand tight. All right, now I'm going to reinstall my handle here. Make sure it slides over. Tighten your Allen wrench screw back up. Make sure that it's on decently firmly. And cut back on your water and test your faucet. Ultimately, this will be way simpler than replacing the whole faucet. And as you can see, only took a couple minutes. Hope this helped.